Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you two ways to make a LED fading circuit. First, by using 555 timer IC, and second by using transistor. So let's start with the circuit using 555 timer IC. These are the components required, and this is the circuit diagram. Place a 555 timer IC with its pin 2 connected to pin 6 and pin 4 connected to pin 8. Also connect pin 1 to negative rail and pin 8 to positive rail. Connect a 100 microfarad capacitor with its positive lead connected to pin 6 of the IC and negative lead connected to ground. Then connect a BC547 transistor with its collector connected to positive rail. Connect its base to pin 3 of the IC via a 33K resistor and also to pin 2 directly. Now place a LED with its cathode connected to ground and anode connected to emitter of the transistor via a 330 ohm resistor. Finally, connect the power supply. I am using 9 volts. With this, our circuit is complete. You can increase or decrease the fading rate by changing the value of capacitance. Next circuit is by using transistor. These are the required components, and this is the circuit diagram. Connect a BC547 transistor with its emitter connected to negative rail. Connect a 33K resistor between its base and ground. Also connect the base to one of the terminals of push button switch. Then place a 220 microfarad capacitor with its positive lead connected to one of the terminals of push button switch and negative lead to ground. Connect the other terminal of push button switch to positive rail. Now place a LED with its anode connected to positive rail and cathode connected to collector of transistor via a 330 ohm resistor. Finally, connect the power supply. With this, our circuit is complete. Here also, fading time can be increased or decreased by changing the value of capacitance. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos.